Hi friends, how are you? I'm sure you are practicing things at home. All right. All right. Stay positive all the time. All right. And now, today we are going to start a new concept of finding the area of the triangle. Finding the area of the triangle when vertices are given. When the coordinates of the vertices are given. Usually in mensuration, there are different formulas to find the area of a triangle. Half base into height, or it is under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, which is also called as Heron's formula. Like that, here we have a specific formula to find the area of the triangle when its vertices are given. Let us try to see what that formula is. Right? The area of triangle formed by the vertices A x1 y1, b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 is delta ABC, area of the triangle ABC, is equal to half modulus x y minus y, x y minus y, x y minus y. You might be surprised, what is this formula? Don't worry, I am giving you a technique to remember this formula. Half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So once you remember that, it is 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Very easy to remember the pattern in the examination also. You will not get confused, right? So this is a formula to find the area of the triangle when vertices are given. Note, I hope you remember in one of my previous class I have told you that if area of triangle is equal to 0, then points A, B and C are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Points lie on same line. So this is a condition, one more condition for collinearity. Whenever the area of the triangle formed is 0, you can declare those points as collinear. So let us move forward. Very simple exercise, and let us try to do problems based on this exercise. All right. I will keep the formula like this only, and I will take a numerical now. Find the area of triangle formed by vertices A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, C 2, minus 4. Be careful with negative sign. All right, minus sign. Solution. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half modulus. I will write the formula here. Once again I write the formula for you. X y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. How do you fill this up? 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Very easy technique. Now I will put these points here. What is x1 y1? You can take any point as x1 y1. This any point as x2 y2, and the remaining is what? x3 y3. What I will do? I will substitute. What is x1 value? x1 is 2. All you need to do is substitute. What is y2 value? 0 minus. What is y3 value? Minus 4 plus. What is x2 value? Minus 1 into what is y3 value? Minus 4 minus what is y1 value? 3 plus what is x3 value? 2 into what is y1 value? 3 minus what is y2 value? 0 under modulus. So it is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus minus plus 2 4s are 8. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. Plus 2 3s are 6 under modulus. So it is 1 by 2 into what is 6 plus 7? 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So it is 21 by 2. The meaning of modulus is, even though after calculations you get negative value, you have to write as positive. Is it not? What is modulus of x? Modulus of x is always a positive number. Inside number can be negative or positive, but the resultant is always positive. Why positive? Because you are dealing with area, and area can't be negative. Area has to be always positive. So in future, even though you come across negative values, final result you have to write positive. So it is 21 by 2 or 10.5. What you are dealing with? You are dealing with area. So never forget to mention square units. So this is the way you find the area of the triangle when the vertices are given. Let us try to take one more numerical in a different format. Right. Okay children, now we will take a different question, different pattern. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. For which the points are collinear. And what are the points given to you? The points given to you are 8, 1, k, minus 4, 2, minus 5. Now he says that these points are collinear. Let me give a notation for this solution. Let A is equal to 8, 1, B is equal to k, minus 4, C is equal to 2, minus 5. I will call this as x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x3, y3. Now we know that area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Why area of triangle ABC is 0? Given points are collinear. And what is the condition for collinearity? That the area of the triangle formed is 0. So what do? I write the formula. Half modulus x1. What is x1 value? 8. Into y2 minus y3. What is y2 value? Minus 4. Minus what is y3 value? Minus 5. Plus x2. What is x2 value? K. Into y3 minus y1. What is y3? Minus 5. Minus what is y1? 1. Plus x3. Right? This is x2. What is x2 value? This into y3 minus y1. Now we are going to write x3. What is x3 value? 2. Into y1. What is y1? 1. Minus y2. What is y2 value? Minus 4. Brackets close. So this area is equal to what? 0. Now this is a condition. To find the, remember always, whenever there is an unknown quantity, there has to be a condition, and your job is to extract the condition and put the formula. You get the unknown quantity. Now minus minus plus, 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Now minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 into k is minus 6k. 1 minus minus is plus, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 2s are 10 is equal to 0. Cross multiply, 2 will go that side, it will become 0. It is 8 plus 10 is 18 minus 6k is equal to hot favorite 0. Now I write 18 minus 6k has to be 0. So 18 is equal to 6k. Therefore k is equal to 18 divided by 6. Hence what is k is equal to 3. Don't write 3 units. K is the value. It is not the area. So finding the unknown quantity using the same concept. So I am sure you have understood how it is done. Now we will try to do these more numericals in our next class. Okay, so practice more and more questions from the textbook, and there are few more models which are left. With that, this exercise will be over. Thank you and take care. Bye bye. God bless you.